Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the frame on your Samsung, the frame TV being way too dark. So of course let's start with increasing the brightness of the screen, which we can do by going on the sidebar, pressing the left arrow key on your remote control, then navigate to settings, and in settings select all settings, then go to picture. Now, first of all, you can adjust the picture mode. Don't use the eco mode or eco mode. It's better. It would be better if you used one of the three other modes. They consume more energy, but they will definitely make your screen brighter. Now let's also go to expert settings, select brightness, and just increase the brightness level by moving the slider to the right. And this will make your picture brighter. You can also check your contrast and sharpness, color settings, adjust them to your needs. So main focus on brightness and contrast, and also color. If your colors are way too dark, you can actually move the slider to the left. It will make your screen slightly bluish, which makes the impression of more brighter colors, comparing to yellowish on the other side. And also go to the gamma and adjust the gamma level to 2. After that, let's also make some checking. In support section, go to software update, select update now, and make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. So let your device check for any available updates out there on the internet, and if there are any, of course, take your time to download and install them. This may help you solve your issue. And now let's also talk about the art mode on your device. So if your art seems way too dark, then you can go to the very bottom of the art mode menu to find the art mode options, and here try disabling artifact. So when artifact is enabled, if we turn on our art will be slightly more matte, which will also reduce the brightness of your art. And if you want to increase the brightness, you actually have to disable the art mode. This will make it more digitalized and more bright. Let's check the difference right now. Once the art mode is disabled, you can totally see the brightness being higher this way. But it will also remove this matte effect from your image. And yeah, so that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.